So white, so white. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And today I am doing a tan video. At last. I know I keep on going on about being bloody white, but yeah, I feel like maybe today is the day I do a bit of tan and see how badly this video turns out. So this will be a how not to tan, more than likely, and if it isn't, then well done me. The sun is up in the clouds and I'm all the way down here. So yes, I do have a old t-shirt on, which is actually a Cancer Lifeline t-shirt. Yeah, so I done a charity event a few years ago and this is why I have this t-shirt. So it is technically an old t-shirt. And I'm sorry if you are offended that I'm using a charity t-shirt to do my tans, but I'm never going to wear it again, so, you know. I am going to be using the Bondi Sands, the Australian Tan, self-tanning foam in light to medium. Obviously I went light to medium. I've seen so many YouTubers who are as white as me going with the dark tan. No. Okay, so I have already went and got my bath, exfoliated, shaved, all that business, and now my skin is all ready. This velvet tan all-in-one self-tanning net for back and body, just to help me with the back. So we'll see if this works too. Yeah. Ooh, dropping everything. Okay. So, now to get naked. Sort of. Okay, so I swear I am actually wearing a top. You see? Put that up. I'll just hold this up here so it actually looks like I'm wearing a top in a minute, because whenever I do that, it looks like I'm naked. So, okay, so now it is time to put on some tan. Let me see. Oops. I broke it. Oopsie. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, that is so cute. Like, that is just a little tiny little one. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's class. And then this is the big net that goes around the body. Yeah. That's cool. That is so cool. Feels really, really nice too. Yeah, feels nice. But I'm in love with this little tiny one. Like, yeah. Okay. I don't know how much you're even supposed to put on with these things. That looks like a lot to me. Oh my god, here we go. Oh, woohoo! Bit of action. 3 pumps each. Holy crap! Yeah, I can already see that. Nice. See if it actually came out like that. I would be super pleased. Oh, it's cold. Don't mind my wobble here. Now shall we try this back? This is hard. I don't know, this is confusing. I'll just stick it on and hopefully it goes alright. As extra caution, I told you I never do a video without a baby wipe in it. You just take that out, place it on your hand, rub your hands together like that. Takes off any excess. Just go into your wrist bit again. Just make sure it looks a bit natural. Natural. And I'm just going to take that brush again and a little teeny pump. Go around my face more. Directing it around my ears and stuff. I'm going to stick on another colour in about an hour after letting this dry a wee bit, and then we'll be back. So it has been 2 hours because I forgot about the time. I know I said I was going to come back in an hour and put on some more, but I kind of got lost. No, well, I didn't get lost. I kind of lost track of time, so at least I'm here now. Yeah, so on the bottle it does say skin may be washed after 1 hour. I think I'd end up with nothing if I washed it after 1 hour. For longer lasting darker tan, leave foam on skin for up to 6 hours. Shower with warm water and gently pat skin. Dry, as usual, what do you normally do with tan? For a deeper tan, reapply Bondi Sands self-tanning foam 30 minutes after initial application. Well, it's 2 hours now, so okay, I'm kind of stuck with this bun. Okay, so this is first layer and I'm looking damn tan. So we are going on with the second layer and hopefully this one will stay a bit. What has happened here? I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, just looks like a big spot or something. Oh my god, see if I'm coming out in a rash because of this. Imagine. Let's get my new best friend out. Ooh. And my new little mini friend. Ooh. I'm strange, I know. Second layer going on. Look how bad this face looks. Ew. So it is now 8 o'clock. I look psycho, but it is 8 o'clock and yeah, it's going a wee bit. Ew. You know what I mean? I have had this on for the first layer for 6 hours, the second layer for 4 hours. Yeah. And I've just washed out a glass for Anna and like it's came off the tops of my fingers. Like up this bit. Weird. Like, I mean, if you can wash this off after an hour, then why is it all came off and went white on my fingers after 4 to 6 hours?
One of which
there's me.
hidden by my pants. Do you still want to go out with me?
Absolutely. Hey, maybe we can go find Nemo together.
That's a good one.
Do your 63 other crayon friends know you're out?
Are you just going to make fun of me all night?
Probably.
Great, so what are we thinking, Chinese?
Yeah, I'm in the mood for orange chicken.
Yes, so this is me just after the shower and to be honest, I'm pretty happy with this tan. It is as dark as I would like to be. Like, I don't want to be extremely dark or anything. Like, my legs do not take tan. They don't take spray tans. They don't take fake tans. They don't take any sort of tan at all. But they're tan right now. They're tan right now. So I am happy. Yeah, so I will come back tomorrow and update you on this tan. Look, that dodgy elbow. I told you, I have not put it on in so long. Do not take any tips from this video. It is purely for entertainment. No white lines on my back at all, and I done it all myself. Hey everyone, so it is the next day. It's afternoon time. I washed my tan off last night, went to work today, and I am super happy with how the tan turned out. It looks lovely. Well, in my opinion it looks lovely anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. P.S. Subscribe to my channel.